Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome. I'm Tall Mike, and it's a Friday today. We got October 16th. Anyways, what I want to talk today a little bit about is silver. First, let's talk about the stock market continuing to melt upward. Melting upward, melting higher, more printing of money's coming, more stimulus is coming. They're going to pump it up. We may continue to melt up. Now, at some point, we're going to have the meltdown, but not yet, not yet. Anyways, what I want to talk about is silver. When I first started buying silver, I was an idiot, a fool. I was stupid. Let me tell you what I bought. Let me show you what I bought. You see this? This is a 100-ounce silver bar. It's an Engelhard. They have a little serial number down at the bottom. These were top of the line back in 1980. Oh, baby, I bought this silver bar. All right, now anyways, it's the early 80s when I bought this. And they're heavy. You can use them as paperweights. But anyways, I bought this silver bar, 100 ounces, because you see, this was a mistake number one. Why do I want a 100-ounce bar when I could have this nice 100 of these? Now, you can go out and spend these. These are called Silver Eagles. These are real money. Real money. They're printed by the U.S., minted in the United States. It says $1 right on it. This is money. You can spend it for $1. Don't do that. Don't do that. They're worth about $30. But why didn't I just buy 100 Eagles instead of this big monster bar? What if I needed to go make a trade with someone? What if I needed a loaf of bread or something, food or something, or I owed someone some money, or I wanted to give them a gift? A 100-ounce bar, you can't divide it. You can't break it up. This was mistake number one, buying a 100-ounce bar instead of buying 100 of the Silver Eagles. But let's talk about when I bought this. Back in the early 80s, all right. So silver had skyrocketed up to $50 an ounce. Crazy, right? All right, this is in 1980. Anyway, so then it came back down. When it got down to $12 an ounce, I went out and bought this for $1,200. Okay, now I was a young man at the time, in my early 20s, and it seemed like such a buy. It had just been at $50. Surely it's going to go back to $50. Anyways, didn't quite work out that way. But here's the thing I want to point out. When I bought this for $1,200, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was trading right around 1,000. Okay, so 1,200, I bought this, but I could have bought one share of the Dow for about 1,000. Okay, right now, the Dow is at 28,000. This did double over those 40 years. 40 years, we're at 2,400. So it went from 1,200 to 2,400. Dow went from 1,000 to 28,000. 28 times, just doubled. That's it. 28 times my money. I should have bought the Dow. Okay, so right now, let's say the Dow, which it is, right around 28,000. What if this were selling for, let's say, $300 an ounce, or, multiply it out, $30,000. Okay, so you could buy this for $30,000, or you could buy the Dow. Well, at that, you should buy the Dow. But the problem is, this is selling at $2,200. Okay, so $2,400 an ounce is where silver's at right now. And I'm going to stop holding this. This is heavy. It's a paperweight. But anyways, you can go out and buy that for about $2,400 right now. $2,500. I wouldn't do it. I'd buy Eagles instead. You can get Eagles right now, Silver Eagles, for about $28. But anyways, with the Dow at 28,000 and this only at 2,500, silver is a screaming buy right now. Screaming buy. Silver should be closer to $300 an ounce, or the Dow should be closer to about 2,000. I don't think the Dow's going to 2,000, and well, at some point silver will get to 300, but that's still a long ways off too. But I do think they're going to meet somewhere in the middle. All right. So which would I be buying right now? Would I be buying the Dow? Would I be in the stock market? I'm a stock market gambler. I jump in and jump out. I even trade silver in the stock market on the SLV. I love buying the SLV. Okay, and I jump in and jump out of it. But I'm also buying these silver eagles. And I just stack them. I'm a stacker. Okay, so you get these silver eagles and I stack them. And silver right now is a screaming buy. Gold's a screaming buy. Now, how do I know this? Well, how do I know this is because I'm an old guy and I've got experience now. You don't buy silver at 1,200 when the Dow's at 1,000. You just don't do that. You don't buy silver at $300, which it's not at, if the Dow is at 2,800, 28,000. Anyways, right now the Dow's at 28,000 and silver's down here. It's down here at 2,400. Oh, you want to buy silver. There's a ratio. There's a ratio between gold, it's at 2,000, and the Dow, it's at 28,000. Okay, so that's 14 to 1. 14 to 1. Now, normal is about 6 to 1. Anything over 10 to 1 is really expensive. Really expensive. But there's that ratio. So you'd rather be buying gold right now, and you want to be kind of short in the market. Okay, because they're going to come 1 to 1. Gold and the Dow will be 1 to 1. 28,000. Gold's at 2,000. At some point, they're going to be even. Okay, gold's way up here, gold's way down here. At some point, they're going to be even. They did it in 1980. They did it in 1932. They were even. They were 1 to 1. And it's going to do it again. People don't believe me. Take my word for it. You'll thank me. You'll thank me. You'll thank me when they become 1 to 1. Now, is gold going to shoot up to 28,000? Probably not. Is the Dow going to come down to 2,000? Probably not. They're going to meet in the middle. Maybe meet around 10,000, 14,000. I don't know how it's going to work out, but I know they're going to go 1 to 1 at some point. So gold's a way better buy than the Dow. But okay, silver is roughly around 2,400. I mean, $24 for 100 ounces, it'd be $2,400. But anyways, it's around $24. And the normal ratio between gold and silver, some people say it's about 15 to 1. I'm going to use 30 to 1. But right now we're at 80 to 1. So gold is extremely cheap compared to the Dow. These are different asset classes. You want to compare asset classes. Gold's extremely cheap compared to the Dow. But silver is extremely cheap compared to gold. Silver is a screaming buy. Yes, you can buy 100-ounce silver bars. I don't recommend that. I recommend silver eagles. Okay, silver eagles are a screaming buy right here. I know the young people today, they want Bitcoin, and there's nothing wrong with that. Bitcoin may be fine, but the lowest hard asset on the planet that you can put in your hand, that you can spend as money, is a silver eagle. You want to buy silver eagles. Now, where do you buy them? Where do you buy them? You buy them from a reputable dealer. You can go on eBay and, there's Liberty Coin on there. There's Ampex. Just type in Silver Eagle on eBay and buy it, not from a private party, because you can fake these. Some people print up fake ones. They're actually made out of metal, but you can put a magnet up to them. Silver's not, it won't stick to the magnet. If you put it up to a strong magnet, no. Anyways, that's how you kind of test if it's real silver or not. That's one test. There's many tests, but anyways, you want silver eagles and you want them from a reputable dealer, and you want to buy them now before the price shoots up. Now, people say that we're going to be going into this deflationary scenario. I don't think so. I mean, look at what's happening to food prices. Look at what's happening to car prices. Everything's moving higher. It's inflation out there. The government says no inflation, but I'm telling you, there's inflation, and you want to protect yourself from the printing of money. You want to protect yourself, and I do it with Silver Eagles. You want to go out and you want to buy some. If you got extra cash, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I do. I go out, I buy these, and I put them away. I just put them away. I don't even look at them. I don't trade them. If I want to trade, I trade the SLV, I trade the GDX, I trade the GLD. Those are my favorite trading vehicles, but I'm telling you, you will thank me a year from now. You'll thank me a lot in 5 years from now. This could be, it could get to 300. It could. This is cheap. You want to be stacking them up. Anyways, I was stupid when I bought this. I was stupid. Yes, it's doubled in price. 40 years. I could have been in the Dow at 28 times. I was stupid. But right now, if I bought it right now, you'll be smart. You'll be a genius even. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike. If you like this information, give me a like. Give me a like. Hit that like button. If you really like me, you might want to subscribe so we can talk some more. Anyways, that's all I got today. It's a Friday. We got the weekend ahead. I'll be back to talk to you on Monday. Get out there. Have a great day. I'm Tall Mike. Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye for now.